It is a gorgeous day in Houston, Georgia, and today I am just relaxing and enjoying the breeze coming off this lake at the ultimate 55 and older community here in Georgia, Cresswind at Twin Lakes. Now, the reason why I'm here is because I'm checking on the status of one of my clients' houses that is being built. But I thought, you know what, I'm going to do another video here. And I've done several videos at Cresswinds where I toured the amenities and different model houses, but honestly, I never really felt like I was truly able to capture the beauty of this community. So this time I brought my brand new drone right here. And I just thought, you know what? I am going to use this little guy to do my best to show you from an aerial view just how beautiful it is here. So if you are thinking about retiring in Georgia and you're considering living in a 55 and older community, you are definitely not going to want to miss this video. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Tanya Cristiano with eXp Realty, and I have a lot of new construction experience and a great relationship with this builder, which I like to leverage for my clients, not only to get you the best possible deal, but also to make this process as smooth as possible for you. Now, this builder, along with most new construction builders here in Georgia, really value the buyer-agent relationship. So our commissions are completely covered by the builders. Having me help you through this process is at no cost to you. So if you're moving to Georgia and have any interest in building a new construction home, whether it be with this builder or another builder, I want to be your realtor. So please do not hesitate to reach out to me. All of my contact information is going to be linked in the description below. So without further ado, let's go fly. Real quick, before we move on, I just wanted to give you this free QR code right here. So go ahead and scan it and it'll take you straight to my free new website, which trust me is a total game changer if you're thinking about retiring here in Georgia. You're gonna love it because it's got Atlanta's only interactive real estate map with all of our top 55 and better communities. So you can go in and you can explore the different neighborhoods, check out the different homes for sale, and even pull up every video that I've ever filmed in those communities. And you guys already know, I do tons of model house tours. I do tours of the amenities. I do aerial tours with my drone, all kinds of fun stuff. Plus, you can grab my free relocation guide packed with super valuable information to help you make a smooth transition here to Georgia. So if a new home in one of our beautiful luxury 55 and older communities is on your wish list, then this is hands down the best resource out there to help you find the perfect neighborhood so that you can start living the retirement lifestyle of your dreams. Oh, and if you're watching on your phone and can't scan the code, no worries. I'm going to drop the link in the description so that you can check it out after the video. All right, let's keep going because we've got a lot more to see. So what did you think about this community? It's beautiful, right? I mean, Hoshton, Georgia must be at a high elevation because there's just always such a nice breeze up here, and I just love it. There's just something so relaxing being surrounded by nature like this. There's no shortage of trees and a lush, beautiful green landscape. And then being able to look right over water, and there's walking trails that you can do in the morning. Oh, it's so good for your soul. I love it. Cresswind is all about enjoying nature and staying active and having fun. So if you are ready to retire and start living your best retirement life, enjoying every minute of every day, well, then this community is a great option for you. And to be honest, it's only one of Georgia's many beautiful communities that we have here to choose from. And I'd love to be the one to help you find the one that's perfect for you. So that's a wrap for this community tour. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're thinking about making the move to Georgia, or if you're interested in one of these beautiful 55 and older communities, I want to be your realtor and help you make a smooth transition to the home of your dreams. Please reach out to me. All of my contact information is going to be linked in the description below. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, y'all.